Palace spokesperson Yusek Claire Castro sinabi na kasinungalingan ang inihayag ni Congressman Paulo Duterte na zero budget ang Davao City sa loob ng 4 na taon. Ayon kay Castro, base sa record, nakatanggap ang Davao City ng 7.856 billion pesos na suporta mula sa national government.
Kasinungalingan po ang sinasabing zero budget ang Davao City for the past 4 years. Ito po ang statement ng DBM. Representative Paulo Duterte's claim that Davao City has Davao City has zero budget for the past 4 years is not supported by the national government's released data. According to records for fiscal year 2023 to 2026 as of May 17, Davao City received at least 7.856 billion pesos in national government support for programs and projects. This includes national tax allotment. It will also include special shares, fire code fees, and regular operating requirements. 7.440 billion pesos came from identified NGA programs and project, including farm-to-market roads, health facilities, justice and civil defense facilities, PRC infrastructure, DPWH infrastructure programs, basic education facilities, the DSWD 11 Learning Institute, and the Davao Public Transport Modernization Project. An additional 146.21 million pesos came from LGSF project type support, including financial assistance to LGUs, the Barangay Development Program, and the Green Program. So hindi po totoo na walang budget or zero budget ang Davao City. Ang Davao City po ay isa sa mga syudad at isa sa mga area na talaga pong inaalagaan ng administrasyon at ng Pangulong Marcos Jr.